Hey people, so we are at this Mandir that is within the Benares Hindu University, and this is my little sister Ashita, and she's so kind enough to come in my videos. None of my family members have, really.
And I'm only coming, I think
this
because,
one time.
Yeah, this one, hardly.
Yeah.
No, I'll try and come others also. So we're at the temple. This is also called Kashi Viswanath temple within the Benares Hindu University.
Where you want to show us around because we are doing it on her phone.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks impressive. As if we were to.
And as you can see, it's quite an impressive structure. It has all the deities, a lot of the deities. Hanuman, Parvati, Ganesh, Saraswati. I'm sure there are several others as well. We've just not seen all of them. I'm going to flip the camera. Okay, I can't flip the camera.
Yeah.
I don't believe I can, but I'll do that. This is, you can see, lots of lawn space, green space, and your beloved host, Amrita. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this 1-minute clip of the Mandir. And like my sister would say, please subscribe. Thank you.